is curry goat or goat curry?
It's controversial. It's controversial.
Not controversial. It's cultural. It's cultural. Yes.
Okay.
Hello, world.
Hi, friends.
We're on our way to a curry goat cooking class.
Auntie Marcia.
Auntie Marcia.
Yes.
Curry goat, along with any other goodies that go along with it.
To see how she does this.
I'm so curious. There's
Guys.
some of it's already done because it has to be
Yeah.
marinated. The
She
goat
said she
has to be
prep a lot
tinned.
of the cool
Love
things.
it. Love a prep. She's experienced. So,
And she is actually a teacher, so she loves to teach.
so we're on a mission. We're driving on the other side of the road. We're still trying to figure that out. And for more things, I got my notebook. I'm taking notes. Be prepared.
You ready? Because
We're
they phone
ready.
do all types of things.
Exactly. Written. And then I can remember it. Yes.
Yeah. So what I did, I cleaned it up because that is
Okay.
a long process.
Okay.
So you will see how it looks
Okay.
before it's cooked. I don't know if you're interested in the seasoning. We
Absolutely.
don't use the seasoning that you all use, the powdered seasoning.
Okay.
We do the herbal seasonings, you know.
Okay.
So I'll tell you all that we put together
Okay.
to make it and show you it and so on and so on.
We will be back next week for barbecue.
You can tell me because I do seasoning.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I do seasoning.
Yeah, I was planning to get the Rex.
Today we're just going to cook.
Okay.
Right? We're just going to cook it. You will see, you'll be there in the beginning, right?
Exciting.
This is how I cook it. I just throw in.
Yeah. This is a special pot.
Oh yeah. Iron pot. Yeah. No, this is not cast iron. This is, yes, this is steel.
Mhm.
Right? We try to use the steel pots for currying and stewing. Right.
Curry goat or goat curry?
It's controversial. It's controversial.
Oh, it's not controversial. It's cultural. It's cultural. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Curried goat.
Okay. And
But-
curried is the way of cooking.
Yes.
Yeah. And it's the adjective.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
English adjective
However-
comes before the noun.
Of course. Of course. Makes sense.
However, I think it's Jamaica and Guyana.
Okay.
They say goat curry.
Goat curry, right.
That amount of goat there.
Yeah.
Let me just show you the goat. You see all that green stuff between it? That's the seasoning
Okay.
that we use.
When you have the label.
That's the label. Or in the seasoning you have chives, right? Lots of garlic, ginger, pimentos, fine thyme, celery, parsley. I think those are the major things. Those are the major stuff.
All fresh.
All fresh.
Yeah.
You can see the difference in the meat.
Kinds of curry. And this is my favorite one that I originally used.
I have some of that.
Yeah, one likes that too.
It's a good one.
But I'm going to prepare my for the best taste. I have found duck and goat long ago. I used to use that. That's better than,
Wow.
than just the duck and goat. Right. For that amount of goat, I will put 2 heaping spoonfuls. Just 1 spoon.
Okay. Are any of these spicy?
No, the curries are not
They're
really
not
spicy.
Okay.
I'll put heaping spoon of coconut curry,
Okay.
and then this is a special madras. Now we
Right.
mix all these,
Okay.
and we put some water in it. Yeah.
Smell that coconut oil.
Right, it's almost good. There. The water keeps drying out, so and you need this curry to cook well. Because since you don't cook very well, it could cause you to go to the toilet.
How do you know when the
All right,
water
when
is
it,
cooked up?
all right, you will see when it will start to bubble and it will get a little thicker. It's a little goat.
You're gonna have so much good.
So this looks. Stop it there. And we can right.
Give it to a nice
Now,
simmer.
goat is something that is. It takes a long time to cook. So we take a large tray of ice.
Really?
And you dump it
yeah,
in
I
here.
remember you said. Sorry. You're giving out the secret sauce.
Well, that's what I tell you. All the secrets you get here. You don't have to take 2 hours to cook that. You take the ice and it. I never used to believe that until I tried it.
Yeah.
Wow.
And it
It works.
Science.
Yeah,
Yes.
right, science.
It's a
Wow.
science. But
Okay.
you must put enough ice.
Right.
You know.
And what kind of mango is this?
This is long mango. Yeah.
Green.
And
Not
green, yeah,
Okay.
half ripe. Not
Half.
too ripe, not too green.
Okay.
Right, but we cut it up.
Okay.
We buy it cut up. And we freeze it
Okay.
like this.
Mm.
And we put it to boil in some salt.
It's kind of like green seasoning,
Yeah,
but
but not all the green seasons.
not all of it.
What,
Okay.
right. What is most important in it is these two.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Just that.
Okay. Oh, this glass. Okay.
Yes.
It's nice.
Mhm.
Okay.
This is the Amchar masala. Looking at my interesting shape. This one is shaped like a wok.
Yeah, I was gonna say it almost reminds me of like a flat bottom
Wok. But it's steam.
Okay, same iron.
Yeah.
Nice.
Do you like spicy?
A little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Not much. Have you ever heard of jeera? Jeera.
No.
No? Another Indian spice.
Is there another name for it?
No.
No.
Maybe you know. Yeah.
Okay.
Smell it.
It smells like cumin.
Right.
Okay. Oh, that's good.
Is another
Okay.
name.
Love it. Nice. Jira.
Right.
Cumin. Okay. There we go. Okay. Is that who taught you to cook? Did you say your sister or your?
No, I actually learned from trial and error.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Stand mango.
Okay. They're very important, what next?
Yeah.
Actually, what we do we put
Yeah.
by how you like it.
Yeah.
Here you go. Much less jeera.
Okay. Very pungent.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this you said it cooks pretty fast. 'Cause
Yeah,
the
yeah.
mango's already.
This is that's right.
Okay. This is all really just cooking the
Yes.
seasoning.
That's right. And you're just mixing them in here. I'll put a little bit of Rexmas pepper sauce.
It was really spicy.
Let's see.
Okay.
Let's taste. This tastes good when you put it together with your roti.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. I like the balance.
Yeah.
It's like sweet, but then there's a little kick on there. Bring it out more.
That's
flavor.
right. That's what it's all done. This is done yet.
People are afraid of salt.
Yeah. But this is good salt.
It's good salt.
You can turn off the stove here. Oh, this is good.
Wow. Beautiful. Right. Curried goat. It's good. Let's give it a little taste. Just see. Got some mango here. Sour curry. Mango. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.